Hi, I am York here. I am the Service Department Manager at Test Equipment Depot, and I'm going to introduce to you the Instek GDS-1052-U. This is a 50 MHz digital storage oscilloscope with a 50 MHz bandwidth and has 2 input channels. It has real-time 250 megasamples per second and a 25 gigahertz equivalent time sampling is also available. It has 4K of memory length per channel. It has peak detect as fast as 10 nanoseconds. It has save recall of 15 front panel settings and waveforms. It has a 5.7-inch TFT color display. It has 19 auto functions programmed in. Arithmetic operators are add, subtract, and fast Fourier transform. It has a USB port for PC connection. It has a data logger and a limited lifetime warranty. Thank you for watching. I am York with Test Equipment Depot.